everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from Charlotte's House. Today I am showing a really fun way to add color to your basic cement planters. Look how cute they turned out. Stay tuned. I'm back with another cement project. Are you sick of them yet? I made budget concrete planters, and then I made a concrete fountain. Next, there were cement orb planters, and now I wanted to see whether I could add a little color. I did a little Googling, and it sounds like you can add just latex paint to water and then mix your concrete. So I have some samples, and that's what I'm gonna try. I started by mixing the paint with water. I didn't measure it, but I guess I added about 1 part paint to 4 parts water. So that looks about right. And then I'm gonna add my cement mix to this water mixture the way I would normally mix cement. Just like with regular cement, you're gonna start with water and then you're gonna add the cement. You just wanna start with a little less water so that when you add your paint, you're gonna account for that extra liquid. For these planters, I'm just using plastic Dollar Tree bowls. Plastic bowls work really well for cement molds. I sprayed them with cooking oil first just to be safe. I'm working with cement all, and the suggested ratio is 1 part water to 4 parts cement. Of course, I started out with cups that were too small, so midway through I had to transfer everything to larger containers. And I poured the colored cement into the larger bowls and pressed the smaller bowl down into the wet cement. It's important to note that the inside bowl will always float to the surface, so you need to weigh it down a bit to keep it set down into the cement. Releasing the cement planters was simple. I was able to carefully twist the inside bowl and it came away easily. I just poured the various colors in and they naturally sort of swirled. The color is not super concentrated, but I think that depends a lot more on the colors you choose. I was hoping for a little more of that obvious variation, but I suppose that it's sort of nice to have it on the lid. The paint definitely added a subtle color to the planters, and I love that marbled effect. Keep in mind that you're adding 4 parts of a gray powder to your colored water, so it makes sense that the colors will be a bit more dilute from when you first mix them. Wow! This one is perfection. Look at that. Look at that. How cool do they look? I recommend that you drill a hole in the bottom of your planter to allow for proper drainage. It's not the prettiest work of my life, but that'll work. Add dirt and plants and enjoy. I loved how easy it was to take a basic cement planter that I have been making for years and I love, but to add a little bit of color and to give it that marbled texture, it was a really fun and easy update, and I hope you guys liked it too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon so you will get notified when I share videos in the future, and have a great day, everyone.